Yes, we are at the final day of the 7 days of using water bottles as replacement dumbbells. If for some reason you don't have water bottles, get creative. You can use 2 t-shirts, 2 sticks, as long as they're similar sizes. Oh, if you've been doing this from day 1 till day 7, congratulations, you made it this far. If you're new to this channel, come join us anyway for a low intensity interval training workout where we use a full body movement for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. So let's go strong and make some moves in minutes. The workout begins in 15 seconds. We're going to be walking on the spot, but instead of moving our hands like so, we're going to be doing bicep curls like that with every step. Okay, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, starting with our left foot, bicep curls with every step. Make sure you're in sync. Hey, this is quite simple, isn't it? Almost lost myself in thought. Tell me, what are you thinking about when you're doing these workouts? Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay, now we're gonna roll our hands like this, like we're doing a dance move. Bob as we go. You can put your wrist at any part as you want, as long as the bottles don't collide with each other. Keeping it simple. 3, 2, 1, roll our wrist. When we're halfway through, we're gonna go the other way. So we're rolling forward right now. Hey, we're about to reverse the rotation. It does feel funky, but hey, we're always ready to challenge our brain. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Now what we're gonna do is feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna put our foot forward and raise our arm in front of us and bring it back and doing it on the same side. Same arm, same leg. Okay, 2, 1, begin. Right leg forward, right hand up. Left foot forward, left foot up. Left arm up. Oh, I got myself in a bit of a tongue twister. But hey, remember, workouts don't have to be perfect as long as you're moving. Woohoo! Hey, 10 more seconds. And relax. Okay, we're gonna seesaw our body. So what we're gonna do is lift our left leg up, moving our body to the side as high or low as we possibly can. And we're gonna do it the same on the other side. Had a bit of a brain fart, sorry. Let's begin. That's it. Just like so. Like we're seesawing our body side to side. The higher your leg goes, the more difficult it gets. You can do little ones as well. Remember, you can make it as easy or as hard as you can. It's all up to you. Remembering to keep our back straight because we're a little bit past the halfway point in the second last round. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. The final one, you may be familiar with this if you've been following me from the beginning. We're going to move our arms as if we're like a train. chugga 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 chugga, just like so. If you feel like making those noises, go ahead, make it more fun. All right, now we're gonna chugga 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 chugga, just like so. Bob your knees if you feel like it, but you can also just keep your legs nice and stable. It's all up to you. The way you hold the bottles is also up to you as well. I'm pointing my thumbs forward in this case. We're halfway there. Remembering to breathe because with 10 more seconds in the final round, because we're about to start the countdown on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We finished our 7 days of using water bottles as replacement dumbbells. Do you want more of these sort of videos? Let me know, because you can essentially use anything as a form of resistance. That's right, fitness is life. Anyway, if you liked today's video, hit the like button. If you have anything to comment below, go for it. Say hello. Subscribe for more workout videos. And before you go, if you feel like you can do more, hey, check out my other videos so you can add on more to your exercise routine. All right, ciao, ciao for now.